So this is some footage of the resort I'm staying at. As you can see, the weather isn't crash hot. I got up early hoping to see a sunrise, but it was alright. The sun was peeping through the clouds. Anyway, I'll show you this place. I'm staying in one of the rooms at the bottom. This is the restaurant. I have to get a tissue to wipe the lens. This is the pool. Outlook from the back of the resort, pretty good. It would be stunning on a clear day. Some stray dogs in the distance, a little bit of thunder. Just in case it's wrong. I can't even remember what this place is called. It's near Uluwatu or Utawalu or whatever it's called. This place is Jimbaran or Jimbaran. I don't know. The resort is called Joya Resort. Shit, I don't even know that. We're gonna have to go and check on the way back. But anyway, there's a nice little amazing tight beach down there that I'm going to check out soon after breakfast, and hopefully the sky is cleared up a bit more. Anyway, I'm going to say hello to this cow thing. Hey, come back. Yeah, you, what's going on? Are they wild? I don't know. They look a little bit wild. Oh, they're tied up. Maybe this one is tied up. I'm gonna have to say hello to him. Slightly intimidating, so I'm not gonna risk it. The last thing I want is a Bali bullhorn in the butt. I might just leave him alone. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is going on. Anyway, I'm gonna put the camera down for a moment and see if I can woo him into being my friend. So yeah, the Balinese Bull, he didn't know whether he wanted to be friends or not, but I'm assuming maybe tourists try and muck around with him too much, and the last thing he wants is another tourist hanging out with him and his girlfriends or children. I'm not sure what the other two are in the back, but they look pretty young, so I'm going to assume that they're his or her children. Now he's taking a piss. Yeah. Yeah, I think maybe he was defending him.